In this video, we will do exercise 11.3 of chapter perimeter and area, standard 7th. Let us start exercise 11.3. Now, dear student, this exercise is related to circumference of a circle. As we had already studied what is circumference of a circle, that is boundary of a circle. This boundary of a circle is known as the circumference of a circle, and its formula is 2 pi r. Formula of circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Now let us start our first question. Find the circumference of a circle of the following with the following radius, in which the value of the radius is given. Now value of pi we have to take 22 by 7. Now here the radius first one is given 14 centimeter. The circle is of 14 centimeter. See here the one circle is there whose radius is 14 centimeter. Apply the formula, that is circumference of a circle, that is 2 pi r. 2 pi r, value of 2 pi, value of pi is 22 by 7, and value of radius is 14 centimeter. Now 7 2s are 14, 2 22s are 44, 44 2s are 88 centimeter. We got the circumference, value of circumference of this circle is 88 centimeter. Means this circle, that boundary of this circle is of 88 centimeter. Now the next one is 28 millimeter. Here the radius is 28 millimeter. Again apply the formula, circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into 28. 7 4s are 28, 4 22s are 88, 88 2s are 176 the millimeter. That means that this circle is of length 176 millimeter. Then 21 centimeter. The radius is 21 centimeter. Again apply the formula, circumference of the circle 2 pi r, 2 into 22 by 7 into 21. The 7 3s are 21, 22 3s are 66, 66 are 132 centimeter. Means that this circle is of length 132 centimeter. Now let us see the next question. Find the area of the circle. Area means the whole inner portion. It occupied the whole inner portion of the circle. So now see the area of the following circle whose radius is given 14 millimeter. The area of the circle, the formula is pi r square. Pi, value of pi is 22 by 7. Here it is given that you have to take the value of pi 22 by 7. Radius is 44 millimeter. The r square is there. So r you have to write on the value of r 2 times, that is 14 into 14. 7 2s are 14, 2 14s are 28, 28 22s are 616 millimeter square. Here you have to write your answer in square unit. Means a millimeter into millimeter gives millimeter square. Then here the dear student, here value of a diameter is given. So here either you see here, so we need to find the value of a radius. If the diameter is 49, the value of radius will be 49 divided by 2, or you can write for whatever the value you will get, that is the value of the radius, or you can simply write down 49 by 2. Now area of a circle, apply the formula, that is pi r square, that is value of pi is 22 by 7, radius square, r square means r into r, means 49 by 2 into 49 by 2, twice you have to write, and do the cancellation. 2 11s are 7, 7s are 49. Now multiply all and divide it by 2, you will get 1886.5 meter square. Meter into meter gives meter square. Now the next one is radius is 5 centimeter. The circle is of 5 centimeter. Here the area of the circle pi r square. The value of pi is 22 by 7. Radius value is r, that is 5. That is 5 into 5, r into r. That is here cancellation is not possible. Multiply 5 5 is 25. 25 multiply by 22. That is 550 upon 7. Dear student, you can write your answer in this fraction form, or you can reduce it into a decimal form also. Now let us see the next question. If the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find the radius. Now dear student, here the value of a circumference of a circle, that is value of 2 pi r is given. Value of 2 pi r is given, that is 154. From that we have to find the value of a radius, whose the value of a pi is 22 by 7. Dear student, again you have to apply the same formula only. As per the question, circumference of the circle is given. Now apply same formula, circumference of a circle 2 pi r. The value of circumference of a circle is given 154. Write down 154 over here. 2 as it is, value of pi 22 by 7 as it is, and write down r as it is, because we are finding the value of r. Now do cross multiplication. 7 will come over here and 22 into 22 will come down. When we will do cancellation, 2 77s are 11 2s are 11 7s are 7 7s are 49. Value of r is 49. The value of r is 49. Now dear student, here 49 divided by 2, so you will get 24.5 meter. Okay. Now area of a sheet, that is pi r square. Now here you have to find the area also. So after once you got the value of r, now it's very simple to find out the value of area. The formula of area of a circle is pi r square. So pi r square means 22 by 7. Radius value just now only we got 24.5 the whole square, or you can write 49 by 2. See what I did, in place of you can write 49 by 2 times, because it will be critical to do the whole square then remove the decimal. The better, in place of a decimal form you can write in fraction form itself. The r whole square means you have to write twice, then do the cancels. 2 11s are 7 7s are, then when you will multiply and divide you will get 1886.5 meter into meter is meter square. Let us see some number 4. A gardener want to fence a circular garden of a diameter 21 meter. Now dear students, see this is one kind of a circular garden whose diameter is given 21 centimeter. So diameter is of no use, so you have to find the value of a radius, that is 21 by 2. Now if the length of the rope is he needs to purchase if he make 2 round of a fence. Now one kind of a rope he need to fence the garden. So twice 2 round of the fence, 2 round. So also find the cost of the rope if it cost rupees 4 per meter. Now dear student, here let us see the diameter, whether it is given in meter or not. Yes, it is given in meter, so no need to convert the meter. Now here it make a 2 round of the fence. To fence the garden it make 2 round. So we have to find we are concerned with the circumference, not the area. So we will find the circumference of this circular garden, then we will multiply with 2. So what is the formula of circumference of a garden, or that is circumference of a circle, that is 2 pi r. So let us apply that formula. Now see, this is how I found the value of a radius, that is diameter is given 21, the value of a radius will be diameter upon 2, that is 21 upon 2. Now the length of the rope he needed is twice the circumference of a circular garden. As I told you, first we will find the circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r. 2 multiplied by value of pi is 22 by 7 and radius is 21 by 2. See here, 21 by 2. Now cancellation, 7 3s are 21, 2 to cancel, 22 3s are 66 meter. Now I got the value of a circumference 66 meter. Now multiply with 2 so that I will get the length of the road, because it make a 2 round of the fence. So when you will multiply with 2, so you will get 132 meter. Means we can say that 132 meter of rope is required to fence the garden. Now if the cost of the rope is rupees 4 per meter, so what will be the cost of 132 meter of rope? So it's very simple. The cost of rope will be multiply 132 by 4, so you will get 528 rupees. So it's required 528 rupees to buy such 132 meter of rope to fence the garden, to make a 2 round of fence. Now let us see the next one. From a circular sheet of a radius, 4 centimeter of a circle of a radius and 3 centimeter is removed. Now see here, it is one kind of a circle. From that 4 centimeter of a circle, 3 centimeter you have to cut and remove it. Find the area for remaining sheet, means you have to find the area of this dark circle. So here we are concerned with area of the circle, not the circumference, because we have to find the inner whole, this black part. See, so first we will find the area of that outer circle, that is whose radius is 4 centimeter, and then we will find the area of an inner circle whose radius is 3 centimeter. Then from the whole circle, now first we will find the area of outer circle, that is I had considered the radius of the outer circle as a capital R. That the formula of area of a circle is pi r square. Value of pi here it is given 3.14, so we have to take 3.14 multiply by the radius of the outer circle is 4 centimeter. That means r square means 4 into 4. When you will multiply, you will get 50.24 centimeter square. Now we will find the area of an inner circle, that is pi r square. I had taken the radius of a smaller circle as small r. That means value of pi is 3.14 and the radius is 3 centimeter. That is r square means 3 into 3. So when you will multiply, you will get 28.26. Now from the area of the outer circle, that is 50.24, we have to subtract area of an inner circle, that is 28.26. So if we will do such, so we will get the remaining area, that is this shaded portion. The area of a remaining shade, that is area of outer circle minus area of inner circle, when we will subtract, that is 50.24, from that we will subtract 28.26, so we will get 21.98 centimeter square. Let us see question number 6. Saima want to put a lace on the edge of circular table. See, this is one kind of a circular table. She want to put a lace around the table, cover the diameter of 1.5 meter. Now the diameter of the table is 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required, means we need to find the circumference, not the area, because we are putting the lace around the circular table. And also find the cost if 1 meter of lace is rupees 15, means cost of 1 meter lace is 15 rupees. So let us find the length of such lace. Now here the formula for the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So we need the value of r. Here the value of diameter is given. You can go with pi d value also. The formula, another formula of circumference of a circle is pi d. Now I had founded the radius, that is I had converted this diameter, that is 1.5, that is decimal into fraction, that is 1.5 means 15 by 10. Then I had found the radius, that is 15 by 10 divided by 2, that is 15 divided by 20. So when I had reduced, that is 5 4s and 5 3s are 3 by 4 is the value of radius. Now find the circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r. 2 value of pi, which is given 3.14, multiplied with radius, that is 3 by 4, 2 2s are, then after cancellation, that is 2 157s are, that is 1.57 into 3 gives 4.71 meter. Now this is the length of the lace which required to fix around the table. Now if the cost of 1 meter lace is 15 rupees, so what will be the cost of 4.71 meter of lace? So multiply 15 with 4.71, you will get 70 rupees 65 paisa. So this is the cost of lace. Now let us see sum number 7. Find the perimeter of the adjoining figure, which is a semicircle including its diameter. Now we need to find the perimeter of this figure. Circumference we have to find, means perimeter means we have to find the circumference of the circle. It is a semicircle, plus we have to add the diameter, value of diameter. Now let us find the circumference of the semicircle, that is you can go with pi d also. Circumference of a semicircle is 2 pi r, or you can do with pi d. It is a semicircle, means just multiply with half, so that you will get the value of a semicircle. This that is half into 3.14, that is the value of a pi, multiply by value of a diameter is 10. 2 5s are 10. 5 multiplied by 3.14 is 15.7 centimeter. This is just a value of the perimeter of a semicircle. Now add 10 to it, plus therefore the perimeter of whole semicircle including the diameter is 15.7 plus 10 centimeter gives 25.7 centimeter. Let us see next sum. Find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meter if the rate of polishing is rupees 15 per meter square. Now dear student, here the one kind of a circular table is there. We need to polish the tabletop, means we are concerned with the enclosed figure, entire portion of the circle, means we need to find the area of such circular table. The formula is pi r square. Now the value of a diameter is given, so value of a that is 1.6. The value of a diameter that is converted into fraction, that is 16 by 10, and make a half of it, that is divided by 2. So 16 divide 20, that is 4 by 5. So that we can get the value of r, that is r square, means 4 by 5 into 4 by 5. When you will do cancellation, you will get 2.0096 meter square. Dear student, first you convert this diameter, that is 1.6, into fraction. Then what we will do further, you divide it by 2. This value you have to divide by 2, because the value of a radius is diameter divided by 2, that is d divided by 2. Value of radius is d divided by 2. So 2 8s are 2 4s are and 2 5s are 4 by 5. This is how you got the value of radius. After doing such, we need to find the cost of polishing also. The cost of polishing is 15 per meter square. Now to polish 2.0096 meter, so we need to multiply it by 15, so that we will get the total cost. When we multiply with 15, so you will get rupees 30.144 approx. That is 30.14 approx rupees. Now let us see the next question here. Sajli took a wire of length 44 centimeter and bent it into a shape of a circle. So find the radius of that circle. Also find its area. Now one kind of a wire is there whose length is 44 centimeter. It is bent into the shape of a circle. So length of the wire is 44 centimeter. That means let the radius of the circle be r. So we need to find the circumference of the circle. The value of the circumference of the circle means the long wire is there, it is bent into a circular shape. So we are concerned with the circumference. Circumference of the circle is formula is 2 pi r. The value of pi is 22/7 and the radius not there. So here what will be is here find the radius. We have to find the radius, but the value of the length is length of the wire is given 44. So whatever the length of the wire, that only the value of the circumference, because whatever the length of the wire is there, that much wire is used to make a circle, and the boundary of the circle is known as circumference. So 2 pi r you have to equalize with 44. So when we will equalize, see, value of pi is 22/7. When we will do cancel, cross multiply and cancellation, the 7 will left. So this is how we got the value of a radius. Now after getting the value of the radius, see what is asked. If the same wire is bent into the shape of a square. Now here after finding the radius, we need to find the area. So area of a circle is a pi r square, that is 22/7 into radius we got 7 centimeters. So 7 into 7 will get cancelled. 22 into 7 is 154 centimeter square. Now if the same wire is bent into a form of a square, what will be the length of each side? Which figure enclose more area, the circle or square? Now dear student, now such wire is rebent into the shape of a square. Now the length of the wire is 44. So when it will rebend into the shape of a square, what will be the length of each side? So total length is 44 centimeter and square have a 4 side. So length of each side will be perimeter divided by 4, that is perimeter, it is equals to the perimeter of a square. Whatever the length of the wire is there, the 44 divided 4 gives 11 centimeter. So we can say that the each side is of 11 centimeter. Now we will find the area of the square, that is side square. So 11 square of 11 is 121 centimeter square. Now here the area of a square is 121 centimeter and here the area of a circle is 154 centimeter square. So from this we can say that the circle encloses more area. Now let us see some number 10. From a circular card sheet of a radius 14 centimeter. Now this is one kind of a circular card. Its radius is 14 centimeter. Two circle of radius 3.5. See here, two small circle of 3.5 radius, and the rectangle whose length is 3 meter and the breadth is 1 centimeter. Sorry, 3 centimeter and 1 centimeter are removed. Means from the whole circle of radius 14 centimeter, two circle and one rectangle are cutted. As shown in the figure, find the area of the remaining sheet. So what we will do, we will try to find first the area of a whole circle, that is area of a circular card sheet, that is pi r square, where formula for area of a circle is pi r square. Pi value 22/7 given, radius which is 14 centimeter, that is 14 into 14. The 7 2s are 14, and when we will multiply, we will get 616 centimeter square is the area of a whole circle. From that we have to find the area of a two circle and rectangle. Let us first find the area of a two circle, that is area for two circle whose radius is 3.5. Radius is 3.5 centimeter. So again apply the formula pi r square, that is 22/7. Radius 3.5 means 35/10. 35/10. Convert this decimal into fraction. So when you will do cancellation, you will get and multiply with 2, because two such circles are there. So multiply with 2, so you will get 77 centimeter square. Now we will find the area of a rectangle, that is L into B, that is whose length is 3 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter. So when you will multiply, you will get 3 centimeter square. Now from area for remaining sheet, now from the whole area of a circle, that is 616, we have to subtract the 77 and this 3. So 616 minus 77 plus 3, that is 80. When you will subtract, you will get the area of a remaining seat as 536 centimeter square. Let us see some number 11. A circle of radius 2 centimeter is cut out from the square piece of aluminum sheet whose side is 6 centimeter. Now this is a one kind of a square aluminum sheet. From that the length of the square sheet is 6 centimeter, and from that a circle whose radius 2 centimeter is cut off. So we need to find the leftover aluminum sheet. So what we will do first, we have to find the area of a square aluminum sheet. So area of a square piece, that is side square. So side square, that is 6 given. The square of 6 is 36 centimeter. Then we will find the area of a circle whose radius is 2 centimeter. So pi r square. The 3.14 is given, value of pi. Then radius is 2 centimeter, means 2 into 2. When you will multiply, 12.56 is the area of a circle. Now from the whole sheet you have to subtract this area of a circle. So you will get the leftover aluminum sheet. The area of a leftover aluminum sheet equals to area of a square minus area of a circle, means from 36 you have to subtract 12.56. So when you subtract, you will get 23.44 centimeter square. Now let us see some number 12. The circumference of the circle is given 31.4 centimeter. Find the radius and the area of the circle. Now dear student, here the value of the circumference is given. With the help of such, we have to find the value of a radius, and from that we have to find the value of area of the circle. Now value of a circumference of the circle, that is 31.4, it is given in the question, 31.4 centimeter. Now the formula of a circumference of a circle is 2 pi r equals to equalize with the formula, that is 31, the value, that is 31.4. The value of a pi is 3.14, and the radius we have to find, and the 2 as it is, its value is given 31.4. When you will do cross multiplication, that is 3.14 will go down and 2 will come down. So here when you will divide, you will get 10 divide 2, you will get 5 centimeter. The value of radius we got 5. Now it's very simple to find the area of the circle, that is pi r square. The value of pi is given 3.14, multiply with 5 into 5, that is you will get 78.5 centimeter. Now here let us see some number 13. A circular flower bed is surrounded by the path 4 meter circle. See here, this is a circular flower bed. It is surrounded by 4 meter of path. Road is there. A diameter of the flower bed is 66 meter. Means if the diameter of the flower bed is 66, then what will be the radius? 33 and 33 meter. What will be the area of the path? We need to find the area of path. So dear student, first we will find the area of the flower bed. That is area of a flower bed, that is pi r square. Value of pi is 3.14, and the radius of such a flower bed is 33. So 33 into 33, so you will get 3419.46 meter square. Then what we'll do, we'll add 4 meter to 33, so that we'll get the radius of the outer circle. So now the radius will become 37. See here. Now let us find the area of the flower bed with path. That is here I had taken capital R for the radius of the outer circle, that is pi r square. Value of pi is 3.14. Now the radius becomes 37, that is 33 plus 4 is the length of the path. So 37 into 37, you will get 4298.66 meter square. Now here, what is the area of this path? So what we will do, from the area of the outer circle, we will subtract the area of the flower bed. So area of the path will be the area of the flower bed with path, means the area of the flower bed with path. From that we have to subtract, not add, we have to subtract the area of the flower bed. Now this is the total area, that is 4298.66. From that we have to subtract 3419.46. So we will get 879.20 meter square. Let us see some number 14. A circular flower garden has an area of 314 meter square. This is a circular garden whose whole area is given. A sprinkler at a center of the garden can be covered an area has a radius 12 meter. Now once sprinkler at the center is there, it can cover the area that has radius of 12 meter. So will the sprinkler cover water the entire garden? So for that we need to find the area covered by the sprinkler from the center. In short, we have to find the area of the circle whose radius is 12 meter. So apply the pi r square formula, that is 3.14, value of pi 12 into 12, that is 452.16 meter. Means with radius 12 meter, it covers the area of 452.16 meters square of area. Means the at a radius of 12 it cover more than the whatever the area of the flower garden. Flower area of the circular flower garden is just 314, and the area covered by the sprinkler is more than that circular flower garden. See here, so whatever the area we got with the radius value 12 meter, see here, its area is more than whatever the area of the flower garden. So we can say hence the sprinkler will water the entire garden. Now 15th one, it's very simple. Find the circumference of the inner and the outer circle as shown in the figure. Now see, inner circle and outer circle, we just need to find the circumference. So first we'll find the circumference of the inner. That is, if the total radius is 19 meter and the outer, where see here, length is 10 meter. So from total 19 we have to subtract 10, so that we will get the radius of the inner circle. So a radius of inner circle, if we see, so we can write 9 meter. So now circumference of the inner circle 2 pi r, 2 into value of pi is 3.14 multiplied by 9, so we will get 56.52 meter. Now the radius of the outer circle, the radius is 19 meter. The circumference of the outer circle, 2 pi capital R, I had taken 2 into 3.14 into 19, you will get 119.32 meter. Now let us see the sum number 16. How many times a wheel of radius 28 centimeter must rotate to go 352 meter? Now whenever any such kind of a rotations comes, we always have to think about circumference. So first we have to find the circumference of the wheel, that is circumference, whatever the 2 pi r, that is 2, here the value of pi is 22/7, and radius of the wheel is 28 centimeter. So we will get 176 centimeter, means in one revolution it covers 176 centimeter, because here the value of radius is in centimeter and the area is in meter. So I will convert this meter into centimeter, and that is 352 meter multiplied by 100, you will get you will get how much? 35,200. So and then I will divide such with 176. See here, number of time the wheel must rotate to go 352 meter. That is, when you will multiply, it will get converted into centimeter. So 352 into 100 divided by 176 means this is a total area, and this is a area covered in one revolution. So 176 2s are 352, and 2 into 100 means 200 time it has to rotate to cover 352 meters of area. Now here let us see the next sum. A minute hand of a circular clock is 15 centimeter long. How far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? So now dear student, here the one kind of a clock, if we see one kind of clock is there, minute hand is 15 centimeter. So how far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? 1 hour, how much? How far does the tip it move? So how to find such? So here in short, if we see the, let us minute hand, it is let consider this circular clock as a circumference and its radius is 15. That is we'll find, means in short we have to find the what? Perimeter, that is the circumference of the circle, how far it will move in 1 hour. So we have to find the 2 pi r. We are concerned with the boundary, not the inner portion. So 2 into value of pi is 3.14 multiplied by 15, means in 15 is the radius. So 94.2 centimeter. So we can say the circumference whose radius is 15 centimeter is 94.2 centimeter. So that means the length moved by the tip of the minute hand in 1 hour is 94.2 centimeter. Means this boundary length we are talking about.